Don't spend another cent at IKEA until you see this. 16 products that are the real deal, the ones actually worth your hard-earned money. Look, IKEA has some genius stuff, and some not so much. Hi there, I'm Jules, and today we're cutting through the noise and showing you 16 IKEA products that are actually worth your money. These are tried, tested, and loved by real people. First up, the all-time favorite, the Kallax. It isn't just a great shelf, it's a room divider, storage unit, sideboard, whatever you need it to be. It's sturdy, easy to hack, and works with those useful inserts and cube bins for clean organization. People have turned it into bars, desks, even cat trees. It's affordable, flexible, and weirdly stylish for a boxy shelf. This one's a classic. The poing is comfy, lightweight, and it bounces. Not in a cheap way, in a soothing, I'm gonna nap here kind of way. IKEA has sold millions of these for a reason. The cushion is removable, washable, and replaceable. It's the kind of chair that stays with you for years, not months. They're not flashy, but Scub boxes are organization gold. These zip-up fabric boxes are lightweight, foldable, and fit perfectly in drawers, closets, and under beds. Whether you're storing winter sweaters or organizing your sock collection, Scub keeps everything neat. For a few bucks, they turn chaos into calm. More than just a stool. Beckham is solid wood, not particle board, and that makes a huge difference. It's sturdy, durable, and crazy useful, from reaching top shelves to becoming a plant stand, mini side table, or toddler helper tower. It's also a DIY favorite, easy to paint, stain, or hack. One of those little things you'll find a use for in every room. This rolling cart works in every room: kitchen, bathroom, craft room, nursery, dorm, anywhere. It's narrow, has good depth, and it moves. People use it for coffee stations, art supplies, makeup, even as a mobile office. We call it functional design with a dash of cute. One Billy is sold every 5 seconds. Why? Because it works. It's clean, simple, and fits almost anywhere. Add doors, lights, or height extenders, and you've got custom-looking built-ins for a fraction of the price. Clean, timeless, and endlessly hackable. Whether you've got 10 books or 100, Billy's your bookshelf. Don't laugh. This bag is legendary. Water-resistant, huge capacity, reusable. It's perfect for laundry, moving, groceries, beach days, everything. And it costs basically nothing. It's ugly in the best way possible. Indestructible, practical, iconic. The IKEA 365 Plus dinner set is a standout. You get 6 plates, side plates, and bowls, all made from feldspar porcelain, which means they're tougher and last longer than typical stoneware. Plus, they're dishwasher and microwave safe. So whether it's a quick breakfast or a dinner party, this set can handle it without looking cheap or feeling flimsy. It simply works 365 days a year. Let's be clear, we're talking about the pine version. Just forget the particle board version in white. The Tro Fast is perfect for organizing messy stuff in any room. The pull-out bins make it super easy to sort and store anything from Legos to craft supplies to tools. So useful for kids and adults. And we love hacking it for toy storage, kids' work desks, and so much more. This tiny table might be IKEA's best value ever. $15. Simple, light, and endlessly useful. Need a spot for your lamp? Done. Want a plant stand? Easy. Something to hold your coffee? Boom. And if you want to get creative, the lack hacks online are next level. Stack them, mount them, turn them into shelving. So hackable. A speaker that doesn't look like a speaker? Genius. Symphonus combines a table lamp with a legit Sonos speaker. It sounds amazing, saves space, and looks sleek in modern, cozy, or minimalist rooms. It connects with other Sonos speakers and your phone, so you can play music, audiobooks, or podcasts right from your bed. Solid pine, smooth drawers, clean design. The hemness looks and feels way more high-end than its price tag. It's one of IKEA's better-built pieces, and it's roomy enough for 2 people to share. Dress it up with nicer knobs, and it totally passes as designer furniture. Ivar is low-key brilliant. It's a modular shelving system made of solid pine that you can build up, customize, and paint however you like. It works in pantries, offices, studios, even living rooms. What makes Ivar great is its flexibility. Start small, grow big. It's not flashy, but it's strong, timeless, and completely transformable. Every gamer, student, crafter, and home office worker's favorite desk setup. The Alex drawers with a tabletop combo. Lots of shallow drawers for craft supplies, makeup, Legos. Pair them with a lag captain tabletop or butcher block, and you've got a custom desk. The pack system is basically a custom wardrobe, without the custom price. You pick the height, width, doors, and inside layout. Drawers, shoe racks, pull-out jewelry trays, you got it. It fits into awkward corners, high ceilings, or open walls where you need extra storage, and it looks built in when done right. Bonus, it's totally hackable. People paint it, add trim, even wallpaper the doors. Your dream closet starts with packs. Okay, let's talk about one of IKEA's biggest wins, their kitchen system. Whether you know it as Method or Section in North America, it's the real deal. You can customize everything: drawers, cabinets, pullouts, corner units, hidden organizers, all designed to fit your space and your habits. IKEA even stress tests these kitchens to open and close 200,000 times. Plus, it comes with a 25-year warranty. Here's the kicker. A lot of interior designers and contractors start with IKEA cabinets and then just upgrade the doors or counters. Why? Because the base system is solid and way more affordable than going fully custom. If you want a sleek, functional kitchen without the premium price tag, this is the way to go. So there you have it. 16 IKEA products loved and tested by thousands of real people. Items that hold up to daily use, that make life easier, cleaner, better.